Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20V cordless performance impact wrench from Parkside. The model PPDSSA 20LI-A1. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. One battery series over 100 devices. Compatible with all X20V Team Series rechargeable batteries. With brushless motor, maintenance-free motor technology for a long lifespan and reduced wear and tear. With no load rotation speed from 0 to 1500 RPM and from 0 to 3000 RPM. Tool holder 1/2 inch external square. Max loosening torque 600 Nm, I like that. Torque pre-selection 2 levels 120 and 400 Nm. Accessories included. Recommended battery 20V 8Ah. Compared to the Parkside oldest model, this one has 10 times longer motor life, 50% higher torque and 18% higher stroke rate. Ready to connect with the Parkside app and 5 years warranty, I like that. So let's open the box, find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the case, Parkside performance. Included we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, I'm going to find out all about this product. So you can use the 8Ah battery here, or another battery 8Ah or 4Ah. Both are professional batteries. The 2.4 amps charger, regular charger, or the fast charger 4.5 amps. It is your choice. Most of the time I'm using the 2.4 amps. Charge slowly your batteries for a longer life. Included we have 3 sockets, color coded. This one it is 17mm, the blue, the yellow 19mm and the red 21mm. Perfect. You can choose to connect at the front at the tool holder. There it is. I like the color coded. In the past they didn't have color coded sockets. Parkside performance, the on-off switch, left and right rotation, the button, soft elements around at the tool, on a black, grey color and red here, brushless, the belt clip, here you can install it and at the right of the tool, you can connect here the battery, use it with one hand, and of course we need the battery. I will use the 8Ah. Now at the front, here we have 2 buttons ready to connect, the indicator with the Parkside app. We can see the LED working light, you can change the brightness. Nice. First, second, third and off. Nice. And with this button, A, B, 1, 2. Okay. Let's choose first the A. B, first, second, A and B. Now, when we have left rotation, you can control the speed with the A and B. A and B. And when it is right rotation, first, second. First and second. Okay. The first speed, 1, it is low speed impact mode. The second, it is high speed impact mode. The A, it is precision mode, and the B, it is wood mode. That's how it's explained at the manual. Of course, I will test it and see how it works. Now, it is compatible with the Parkside app. Let's make the connection. Parkside app, add the tool, ready to connect, 8 ampere hours, finished, 88%, ready to use, and there is end the tool. Direction of rotation we have left, and there it is, it says right. Operation mode, performance, and here we can change year. First, speed, it is 1359 RPM. Second year, it is 2447 RPM. 150 Newton meter and 400 Newton meter. Perfect. Discharge current we can see right here when it's working. LED work light off, on. LED intensity you can adjust. Fade out time 1 second. Perfect. From 1 second to 99 seconds. Overheat count, block count, overcurrent count, total tool operation time, battery settings, current temperature 25 degrees Celsius, you can lock the battery, you need a pin to set. Operation mode performance, discharge voltage 2 volt, discharge current 100 amps. Balanced 2 volt and 80 amps. Eco 3 volts and 60 amps. And expert, here you can adjust from 2.5 volts to 3.4 and the current from 5 to 100. Performance mode, discharge voltage, discharge current, overheat notification, you can enable, disable, identify the battery, where it is, there is the LED. If you have more than one batteries, that it helps. Current charge, discharging current, working hours, charging cycles, discharge cycles, and of course you can do a firmware update. And operating mode again, balance, confirm, current level first year, right rotation, left rotation, right rotation again, expert, year first, we can see the speed, rotation speed setting, let's see, 260 RPM, first year, second year, Newton meter, 0, and 400 Newton meter, rotation left, first gear. Second gear. Newton-meter. And 400 Newton-meter. And then we have the Eco mode. Current level first gear. Okay, enough with the app. I don't know if anyone will use the tool with the app when it's working. Leave your thoughts down below in the description how you are using this tool with the app or not. Let's move on for testing. And that wraps up our look at the Parkside 20V performance cordless impact wrench. This tool really brings serious power to the table, especially for a budget-friendly option. With its impressive torque, it's more than capable for most automotive tasks like wheel nuts. And it's fantastic for general DIY projects that require some serious fastening. The brushless motor, variable speed and LED work light are all premium features that elevate it above standard offerings. If you are an enthusiast or a serious DIYer looking for an impact wrench that delivers strong performance without breaking the bank, this impact wrench is a compelling choice. What's the toughest job you'd put this impact wrench up against? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Parkside performance tool reviews and DIY guides, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We are always looking for the best bang for your buck in the workshop. Until next time, thanks for watching and stay powered up.